Hello, my name is Muhammad Adi Purwanto. I'm here to explain my essay about popularity of Java. The first paragraph is described about Java is programming language that has never dropped from top 3 in the world since 2005, and in November 2014, Java in the first position. In 2018, popularity Java was lost by programming language Python, but it does not make Java drop from the top 3. This statement from website PL popularity of programming language. There are several aspects that make the programming language Java is so popular. And here my structure of essay. In the first paragraph is introduction, and the second paragraph is first reason why is Java so popular. The second reason is the third paragraph, and the last reason in the fourth paragraph, and the last paragraph is conclusion. The second paragraph is in the first reason is describe about Java is a multi-platform and multi-device programming language, which means if a developer write a program Java, it can be run on all computer and other device that support Java with few things. Functionality of Java can be run on different operating system because it's generic and not specific. On second reason is described about Java is based on OOP or object-oriented programming. The statement from Harris 2012, which means everything in Java is object. This makes it very easy for programmer to design, create, develop, and allocate error in a program based on Java, more fast, precise, easy, and organized. That makes Java one of easiest programming language. The last reason is Java has a complete library that makes it very easy for programmer to create an application. Library is a collection of programming included in Java programming. With a complete library, programmer can create application as they want. Completeness of the library combined with existence of large Java community that continuously creates new libraries to cover all application development needs. The last paragraph is conclusion. The conclusion is described about programming language Java is popular because it is based on object-oriented programming, supported by complete library, and can be run on any device that supports Java, which makes programmer very easy to create and develop application. And some companies use Java their application. That's all from me. Thank you for watching and see you.